Welcome back to Living Life in Arizona. Today we are in Gilbert and we want to show you this beautiful house. It's 7 bedrooms. How many bathrooms is it?
5 bathrooms, 5,300 square feet with a casita.
With a casita. This one is special. So we were just doing an open house here and we were like, we gotta record this and show you guys what this house looks like because it's a must see.
Also, huge $200,000 price cut.
Yes.
Let's check it out.
Let's check it out.
All right, before we take a tour of this house, first, I'm Shant Janessian, my wife Betty Janessian. We are a husband and wife real estate team here in the Phoenix metro area. If you're looking to relocate to Arizona, or if you are in Arizona and you're looking to buy or sell, please reach out to us. All our information is below. You could call, text, also like and subscribe to the channel. Now, before we go on the tour, I want to talk to you guys about the property and give you guys kind of the details of this beautiful, beautiful home. It is a 7-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 5,300 square foot home with a casita. Now, it's priced at $2,350,000. They've done a $220,000 price cut. So this house is priced to sell right now, ready to go. Beautiful neighborhood. One of the most, I would say, sought after pockets if you're looking for a custom home on an acre lot. So we are 37,000 square foot lot, which basically it's 0.85 of an acre. So if you're looking for this kind of land in Gilbert, it's very, very hard to find. This is the pocket that you're going to see it. Now, we are located southeast Gilbert, right below the 202. We're close to the Gilbert Regional Park, which is right there. This borders Queen Creek. We have the epicenter nearby, Santan Village Mall nearby, a ton of shopping, a lot of restaurants. So this is situated really, we're a bit south of in Gilbert, but still overall a ton of stuff here to do, guys. So this is super, just a beautiful area to be in. And obviously you can see the neighborhood. It's gorgeous. Now, this house was built in 2006. Again, 7 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 4-car garage, guys. Inside you'll see the updates were done in 2019. The backyard is beautiful, guys. If you have a family, if you have kids, this house is the house that all your kids' friends are going to want to be at, and they're going to want to come. So Chandler Unified School District. So this is in the Chandler Unified School District, which is the #1 school district in Arizona. So if you got a family, you got kids, this is literally the place to be. So let's go check it out.
All right, look at this big door. So when you walk in, look at this big arch. This is beautiful. So when you walk into the home, you have your landing space, and then you go the living room, and then there are some bedrooms on this side of the house, and then there's some bedrooms on that side of the house. So let's go to the main area of the home. So you have a living space. We just walked in through there. And then you have an office there. I'll go there in a second. This kitchen. This is a huge kitchen. This is such a spacious living space. I'm just gonna kind of slowly turn the camera so you can see all of the space that you have here for entertaining. We'll go there in a second, but let's look at this kitchen a little bit closer. So you have your pantry here, and then you have 2 islands because one was not enough. So we need 2. You have your double oven. Great appliances, by the way. You have your very nice, that looks out, big window that looks out to the backyard. So let's see, where should we go first? Let's go this way. I'll show you guys the office space that they have. Very nice. And I love all the shutters that they have, and very, very nicely done. So this is the office space. You can switch these out to have, just like a open French doors, like glass doors if you want kind of to see inside, but as well, very sturdy. So let's go this way to the bathrooms and the bedroom. So let's go this way to check out this area. So you have a bathroom here. And then here, so this one, they're considering it a bedroom, a closet, but I believe you can have this, they had this as a game room basically. So you can do, just a bunch of like games, or this could be a playroom, because there's the barn doors over here, and the main entrance for the room is that way. But this is a really big room, or playroom, or whatever you would like. And these are the barn doors that so this would be the door closed. Very nice. And you have extra space here. You could do this a movie room, or you could do that a movie room. You could do this, put a pool table and have games and stuff, because you have access to the backyard right through here. So this is very nice that you have two rooms next to each other that you can use however your lifestyle, lets you, however you want to use them. So let's go back to the other side where let's see. Okay, so we saw this room. We were just in there. So let's see this one. First bedroom here, very cute. This is a very spacious room. The walk-in closet. But shall we have a changing table here, but that's a cool little way of using that space. If you have a little baby, the double sink bathroom, nice tile. I love the floor tile too. They did a good job with this one. It's me. Look. And then we are into other bedroom. Very nice with the walk-in closet.
Yep.
There's like a lot of doors in this door, that door, but it works. And let's go. What I love about this home is like everything is very sectioned out. So you have bedrooms and the house, and then on the other side as well. So this is another bedroom with an ensuite. Very spacious. They didn't have this room staged. So you have your and then you have extra storage over here as well, which is very nice. This is a big closet space. Loved it. Look at the vanity. Very nice. And then the shower. All right. Let's go to the other side of the house for the primary bedroom. So you have another storage space over here. Ooh, this is like a walk-in one. This is great. You can't. what's behind it, but they have used that space really good. This is another bedroom. So this is 7 bedrooms in this bedrooms. Some of them they staged, some of them they didn't. So we are side of the house where you walk in. So they have this wall right here to put, I guess, jackets and backpacks and stuff for the kids. This is your garage door. It's a 4-car garage. That noise you're hearing is the misters we turned on outside because it's so hot right now. Laundry room, huge laundry room. We can put a fridge here too, clever. If you have a big house like this, you probably need another fridge because you have a lot of people living here. This is the primary. Look how huge this is. So your bed would go there, obviously. You have access to the backyard. And then what I love about this one, so for those of you who have like little babies or are planning on, it's a nice space. It's ventilated for a little crib, just the way they have it. You kind of have your baby in the room, but still separate because you have doors if you want, shut one and have some so the baby doesn't wake up. Let's go into the primary. Tie all the way to the ceiling, big tub. You have your vanity there. Separate, nice. You have a closet here. Lots of storage space. The people who lived here had a lot of clothes, I feel like. And then you have another closet here, so his and hers. However, this one feels a little smaller than the other one, but I love the makeup section that they have here. Very nice. And wait till you see the shower. So the shower is right behind here. Now look at this. Look at the tile. This is like an escape. Look at that. They have the rain shower. This is like a spa feel in here. Very nice. And the toilet room is over here. Let's see. What else did we see? This house is so big. I can't keep up with all the different areas that they had. So we went to the main area. Let's go to the casita.
Oh.
Well, let's look at the backyard first because we can't go to the casita without looking at this beautiful backyard. This is like an escape. The pool. It's a perfect size pool. They have a play structure there. Very nice. Covered area. The misters are going. It feels really nice out here.
This is a splash pad right here, guys.
Splash pad. That is crazy. My kids would just live here. I just would put the bed there. They would sleep here and just play all day. Very nicely landscaped, mature trees. The sun is setting at 6 o'clock. It's beautiful out here.
Trampoline works.
The trampoline works. Shanta's testing it out. Please don't break it.
It holds 225 pounds at least.
Well, yeah, that's good news. They have like their own walking trail there. The trees are very nice. It's very private. They did a really good job. Let's see. I like this little play structure. Very cute. So lots of space. So they have real grass. They have turf, pavers, the splash pad. a fireplace. Look at this huge fireplace. This is amazing. And wait, we're not done yet. They have the built-in grill over here. Look at that. They got everything.
Come check out the RV gate.
House and the basketball. Too bad we didn't bring our...
If we had a ball, I would have to dunk on someone right now.
Like who? Who would it be?
You.
Me? That's easy to do. That's like not even anything. You don't need a basketball for that. All right, let's check out the casita. Pretty cute.
There is something in here that is super important. So hang tight. It's going to be very useful. Let's go check it out.
Very useful. Oh, I don't know where we're going with this, but nice. Some spacious casita. Like this is a big living room. You could also make this into like a pool house. Like have your guests. I'm sure there's a shower in there.
Yeah, bedroom.
A bedroom, yes. Like
And
just
shower.
shower here.
Well, it's a steam shower. Right, steam shower, but that's not the most useful thing in there. It's right on the wall over there. Go check it out. The urinal.
Nice. This is amazing.
It is a steam shower, though.
That's awesome. And have that little bench in there too. Very nice. The vanity and and that's lots of storage here. We did the tile all the way to the wall. Very nice. The kitchen is nice too. This is like more than what you need in a space like this. And then you have a nice. It's a small bedroom where you could probably fit a queen or a full.
Yeah, they could have made
in
it
here.
bigger.
Yes, they could have. But however, I'm sure there was a reason. But it's a very nice space. That's it, right? I showed everything.
Hey, if you guys are looking to relocate to Arizona, or if you do live in Arizona and you're looking to buy or sell, reach out to us. We would love to help you guys out. All our information is below. You could call, text, set up a 15-minute Zoom call, or send us an email. So many of you guys have been reaching out. We really, really appreciate it. And hit that like and subscribe. We're at 1,000 subscribers right now, so we're super excited. Appreciate all of you guys and keep tuning in for more content.